Hi, my name is Dr. Priyank, and I subscribe to Dr. Reda Harby's course for MRCS Part B as well as A. And yeah, he was really helpful throughout the course. He did a lot of research for preparing the notes, and those were really helpful. In fact, I got many stations that were repeated exactly the same, and it was really a big help to talk with him. He was there whenever I needed him, and whenever I had doubts, he always helped me out with them, as well as he's constantly in touch with me, so it is really good. You feel motivated to continue studying about part for continue with the part B preparation. So in short, it is a really big deal to join him, be a part of it, and be in constant touch with him, and you will be able to see, pass the course with flying colors if you have joined the Part B course from Mr.